Look at this beautiful watermelon. Looks like yellow. Big. See, so many. Look at this. And this one. Also very big. Wow. Yummy. Wow. A big planting of watermelon. That is my people. The Vietnamese people. And then here. Wow. What's this?
Đâu mới chồng đi đâu hết đi cô Hạnh. Dạ con em nhé. Con ơi anh chồng em mới đưa áo rồi gì lại đưa